This GoPro picks the worst times to stop. Right now we're just right above the skywalk, but the only way to do it, you have to take the shuttle bus because there's no parking, and they have like a glass floor. And all you can see is like, look at that. Like, goddamn. Be a little bit terrifying, especially if you're afraid of heights. Look at those mountains. And just down here is the Icefield Glacier too. Wow. Damn. I've been here in Banff, in Jasper 3 times. This is my first time I actually see this mountain have like so much snow. Well, not snow, it's like almost like a glacier. And another glacier there, and another glacier there, and there's a glacier behind that, which is the biggest one. But it's melting away very fast. Oh, and there's another glacier. Short stop after short stop. Yeah, this is the first time I've seen them. Wow. When you're looking at it, it's definitely like an illusion, especially like, look, like the half moon that kind of goes in there, and it sits behind like this white, shadowy, magnificent. And we can go down there, and you can hike all the way to the glacier, or take the glacier bus and go up there. But as much as I want to do that, it's late and gotta hit the road. This is where you get the shuttle bus, and then you can drive down there. This is the Athabasca Glacier. Oh, that's the glacier tour, the Ice Explorer. It takes you out ice exploring. It's magical. Over here, that's where the glacier was in 1890. And along the way they have these little date signs. Like right here it was 1908. So you can imagine how like basically it's like melting. Here 1925, so only what, like not even 20 years. And I can't even see the next sign. One is down there. There should be one somewhere in between at least. All of a sudden it just melted. And imagine all that was the glacier up there, and now it's all the way up there. Wow. Yeah, and I remember the buses, now it goes all the way over there, the road, where before it was high. It used to be like halfway point like there, so it definitely has melted a lot. Alright, well, let's continue on. The Columbia Icefield, and it's beautiful. Having lots of coffee and admiring this stunning view. It's something else. Oh man, don't tell me they have a construction. Look how the traffic is all the way back there. It's bumper to bumper. Holy cow. Look at that, all the way. I don't know how far down it is. On the other hand, oh, there's the waterfalls. It's really fascinating thinking everything, all this covered in water and ice. Yeah. Oh, it's okay.
And by the time I did, I did it.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. I don't know, when did he pull? Oh yeah. I was gonna say, when did he pull out in front of me? But yeah, now I remember, he's missing the part of his bumper. It's alright. It's okay, my man. You could be my grandpa, you know, like goddamn. But yeah, imagine how fascinating it is, all this covered in ice. But I guess that's a part of life, right? It's the cycle of life. Now they're gonna say it's climate change, but I believe it's a cycle of life, you know? I think we went through a period of ice ages, we went a period through like super heat or whatever. And that's one thing I believe in. Ancient times they had like underground cities and everything, because who knows what was going up above, right? With their own water systems and everything. Look, the water is so blue, I just want to go jump in. But probably ice as frick. Well, my friends, guess where we end up again. Does this place look familiar? Yep, Mosquito Creek. Who would have thought that? Definitely it has been a journey, you know? And an experience. What an experience. I'm all set up, as you can see. Well, I still got my luggage and stuff. I'm gonna put it beside my bike, and then I'm gonna put my food in the locker right there. And that's one thing that I like, these 2-3 spots, but for the second time I end up on this one. Bathrooms, washing station is there, food locker or bear locker is there. Down there there's a beautiful van with a Starlink on top, and that spot, I'm trying to get that spot for the 3rd time. But I'm thankful though that I came in and I got this spot, and then everybody else started coming in, so we good. Get the campfire going. I don't know what else to say. Always take care of yourself. Always do something good each day. Don't forget to smile and keep the peace and love alive. Nathan, you know who you are. Keep that smile alive, brother. Past few days I have been staying here at the campground. Well, not stationary, but I did go for like a couple of rides and few hikes that are around here in the area. I decided not to take the camera and record anything, besides the fact that the sky is pretty smoky. And I just had like a little peaceful time to myself, I guess you can say, not worrying about anything else. It has been some peaceful days. I was supposed to leave the campground this morning, but I decided to stay for another day. Now it's later on the day and finally the sun decided to come out. I went a couple times in Lake Louise to buy some groceries and stuff. And today I bought some smoked salmon. They are from the Elderwood Smoke. This one is a peppercorn candy. And they are from a company from Vancouver Island in Port Hardy. And they're called Hardy Boys, if I call that right. I'll show you, so I don't want to butcher anything. And I was reading the ingredients and everything is pretty natural, so that's a plus, because nowadays you don't find a lot of products with natural ingredients or no ingredients. And basically, from what it says here, in 1994 a small smokehouse opened its doors in Port Hardy on the northern end of Vancouver Island, BC, inspired by the owner's favorite childhood books. And their location, Hardy Boy Smoked Fish Inc. was born. And it says, our smoked salmon is made with Canadian kosher certified ingredients and smoked with all natural elderwood chips. There are no added preservatives or artificial colors. It's pretty cool. I'll try it out later. And I have some rice and I got some taco spice that I'm gonna add to the rice. And I think we're good. Yeah, and right now I'm just gonna chill. I got the campfire going. These past few days taught me to slow down a little bit, you know. My whole life, I'm always on the go, go, go. Like when I'm standing still somewhere, I get bored. You can say I get bored easily, but these past few days it has been nice, beautiful, peaceful.
Out here I recognize the path. I identify with the mountains, streams. I see something of my own soul in the plants, in the animals, in the birds of the field. The future has become the present. Anything of the photos will remain. Anything useless will just disappear.
Pretty good, I must say. So good. Wow. Never mind the peppercorn and everything else. The smoke burning my eyes. Camp life. It's pretty awesome. Oh my god. Rice with the taco mix ready.